I am sharing my fifth and final strategy for a stress-free bedtime with children, and that is affirmations. So before they go to bed, or you've done all of your other 4 strategies that I shared earlier this week, and right before they go to bed, you can share an affirmation with them. So this is just a really nice way to get them settled into their bed, getting them to wind down. And if they're having any particular sleep problems, for example, if they're experiencing nightmares or they're struggling to get to sleep, perhaps if they wake up in the middle of the night, then they have an affirmation that they can just say to themselves as a self-soothing technique. And you can choose your affirmations. I suggest an I am affirmation, but it can be completely whatever you like and whatever your child feels comfortable and what is relatable to them. But something like I am safe is a really nice affirmation for children who wake up in the middle of the night and maybe feel scared, or if they're experiencing nightmares, bad dreams. Something like an I am safe affirmation is just really going to help them to soothe themselves. So you can say this together with your children before they go to bed, and then just leave them with that affirmation so that they can say it to themselves, they can whisper it to themselves, or they can say it in their mind. And it just helps focus their mind. And as I say, it's like a self-soothing technique. So you can ask your children what affirmation they would like to use. I would suggest choosing one and then sticking with that for some time. And it could be I am brave, I am relaxed. Yeah, so whatever it is that they need, you can brainstorm together some ideas of what kind of words they might like to use in their affirmation. And then maybe just come up with one, I'd say maximum 2, which could be I am brave, I am safe, or I feel safe, I am relaxed, right? So it can be really, really simple. And then you just say it together, and then you leave them with it so that they can say it to themselves. So that is my fifth and final strategy. So if you haven't watched my other videos, then make sure you do, all quick practical tips. And if you haven't got my meditation script that I suggest for a stress-free bedtime, very easy meditation script, or the checklist and a place where you can write your affirmations, then you can do that through the link in my bio, or if you're watching on Facebook, you can do it in the link above. And then you can just start putting these 5 strategies together to create a quick 10-minute bedtime routine that is going to help your child definitely have a more positive sleep experience. It's going to be more relaxing and calming for you and a lot less stressful, because we know that bedtimes can be a little bit chaotic, especially with the younger children. So if you have started some of those strategies, and if you've done all 5 this week, I would really, really love to know. So if you've been watching all week and you have been implementing these strategies to your child's bedtime routine, then please do comment below, because I love to read your comments. I love to see what kind of strategies you're implementing, and most importantly, how your children are responding to these strategies. So make sure you comment below or above on this video, or DM me to let me know how your stress-free bedtime routine has been going this week. And yeah, go to my link if you haven't already got those resources. Definitely the meditation script is a very, very valuable one, and it's easy for any age group. All you do is read the script, really easy for you to guide, and then watch them release all tension and start to relax into a positive sleep experience. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye.